What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Trick 10s. This episode is going to be a little bit different. This footage was all behind the scenes. It was filmed by a buddy of mine, Dave Hogue. Went to high school with him. He's a cool cat. He makes music and he's really good with programming and computers and stuff like that. So I asked him if he'd help me out while he had some free time, and he rode along with me the day I met up with Matt Streichel and SBFISHINGTV for the Mary Jane shoot that we ran on SB's channel. So it's some behind the scenes footage from that, and also some of the build footage. I didn't give him all of the footage. I have a lot of footage for the entire Mary Jane boat, and I plan on eventually editing that and making a video out of that. But this was just his first attempt at making a YouTube video, and he had minimal content, but I thought it was pretty sweet. I mean, it's different. It's a second perspective for a lot of things. There's some cool moments in there, some behind the scenes stuff captured of me and SB interacting with the boats and the video shoot. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm actually in Disney World right now, and that's why I'm dropping some of these videos that I already had pre-made. But I will be back in about a week and a half, and we're gonna get right back to work. Thanks for watching. Matt Downs here with Trick 10s, and today I'm out here on the Chick River with my buddy Matt Streichel with SB Fishing. I got something cool for you guys to see. It's a really unique boat, to say the least. I put a lot of work into it and fixed it up, made it real nice. The customer has no idea what this boat's going to look like. He just gave me free run with it. He did pick the turf color, and other than that, he really has no idea what it's going to be. So it's going to be a pretty cool reveal. But I'm going to go ahead and give you all the rundown. This is a 1648 all-weld, which is a very nice constructed boat. This is a lot heavier boat than some of the well-builts or Lumicrafts. It's all-weld. It's a very heavy boat. The gauge thickness of it, I think, is 0.10, so it's a little thicker than some of the other hulls. It definitely adds some weight to it. This brings us into our last hatch, which is it's set up like all the other builds. It's got a gas tank. There's actually a small lawnmower battery in here to control the hydraulic jack plate and the electric start on the motor. And there's a 3-bank battery charger in here that's charging the lithium. Plug outlet for it right here. The Suzuki motor on here is a 2017 99. It's a 20 horsepower ECU upgrade. And it's paired with this hydraulic jack plate. It also has power tilt and trim. You can really plane this thing out, and I'm kind of excited to actually see how much speed we can get out of it with all the variables I can control on this motor. Pretty sweet. We had it up to 24. might have been able to trim it a little better, maybe get 25, 26, but I'm pretty impressed with the size and weight of this thing running that fast. Alright guys, so as you know, all my bills are tricked out. They got lots of LEDs. This one is the same. It's got these cool strip LED red lights on the outside all the way down, and on the interior it has the green on both rails. Give a little insight on the way I run my electrical panels. So a lot of people ask me about it. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you something. This zip tie right here has a hole in it. And I use these to attach a lot of my internal wires and stuff and get them out of the way. It's a lot easier than using a fixed size. You can just attach this, screw it in, run all your wires through. When you get done, you pull it tight. That's what I'm about to do here. I'll show you. Alright guys, so big ups to Dave Hogue. Killed it. I think it's pretty damn good for the first time you ever made a YouTube video, especially having, minimal footage. But like I said, I'm out of town, so I had this video scheduled and I got at least one more scheduled that's gonna drop before I get back. So I appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe, like, share, help me grow this thing and blow this thing up, guys. Let's do it. I'll see y'all shortly.